Welcome to the Terracotta Army Museum in Xi'an, China. Today, we will explore one of the most fascinating archaeological discoveries of the 20th century, the Terracotta Army of China. The Terracotta Army of China is one of the most intriguing and mysterious archaeological discoveries in the world. The army of thousands of life-size terracotta warriors and horses, each unique in its own way, was buried with the first emperor of China, Qin Shi Huang, more than 2,000 years ago. In this 10-minute video, we'll take a closer look at the history, construction, and significance of this ancient wonder, and explore the ongoing archaeological efforts to uncover its secrets. Let's start with our top 10 facts about Terracotta Army. Fact 1. The discovery. In 1974, a group of local farmers discovered a vast underground chamber in the Lintong district of Xi'an. Little did they know that they had stumbled upon one of the greatest archaeological discoveries in history. Fact 2. The purpose. The Terracotta Army was created to guard the tomb of Emperor Qin Shi Huang, who ruled China from 221 to 207 BCE. It was believed that these life-size soldiers would protect the emperor in the afterlife. Fact 3. The scale. The Terracotta Army is one of the largest underground military museums in the world. It consists of over 8,000 soldiers, 130 chariots, and 670 horses, all made out of terracotta. Fact 4. The variety. Each soldier has unique facial features and expressions, reflecting the diverse population of ancient China. There are soldiers of different ranks, including generals, archers, and infantrymen. Fact 5. The technology. The Terracotta Army was created using advanced technology for the time. Each soldier was handmade, with great attention to detail, using a combination of molds and hand sculpting. Fact 6. The colors. The Terracotta Army was originally painted with vibrant colors, but the paint has faded over time. In recent years, some of the soldiers have been restored to show how they would have looked in their original state. Fact 7. The mystery. Despite the discovery of the Terracotta Army, many mysteries remain. For example, there are no written records about the creation of the army, and it is not clear why only male soldiers were created. Fact 8. The restoration. The Terracotta Army is an ongoing restoration project, with new discoveries being made all the time. In recent years, new pits have been discovered, and many of the existing soldiers have been restored. 9. The visitors. The Terracotta Army is one of China's top tourist attractions, with millions of visitors every year. It has been designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and is considered one of the greatest archaeological discoveries of all time. Fact 10. The legacy. The Terracotta Army is more than just an impressive collection of sculptures. It is a testament to the power and creativity of the ancient Chinese civilization, and a reminder of the rich cultural heritage of China. Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore the wonders of the Terracotta Army of China. We hope you enjoyed learning about this incredible piece of history and culture.